Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix mobile data not working on your Nothing Phone 4a Pro. So first, what are we going to do is I'm going to disable the Wi-Fi for this. Now we have our mobile data enabled, and what are we going to do is we're going to turn this off and on. So let's enable it back again. And now what are we going to do is we're going to go back into the settings. And here in the settings, we want to go to network and internet, click on the internet, and here we have our mobile data. So we want to click it, and here what we want to do is we have mobile data right here. We can also disable and enable it. And now what are we going to do is we're going to scroll a bit down until we see access point names at the bottom. Here we have our internet, and of course we can click on the three dots and click delete APN. Now it is gone, and we can click here on three dots and click reset to default, so our internet goes back up. What are we going to do next is we're going to make sure that SIM card is properly inserted. So if you do not see the section about your phone right here and the mobile data, then I would recommend checking if your SIM card is even working. After that, what are we going to do is we're going to restart the phone and toggle the airplane mode. So first, we're going to focus on enabling the airplane mode. So for me, it's right here on this side. Now let's quickly disable it, and it's looking for a network and fresh signal. And now we're going to restart the phone. So press the power button, volume up button, and tap on restart. Now it is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is completely done. After the restart, what are we going to do is we're going to enter the password if you have one and restart the entire network settings. So we're going to reset them. We're going to go to settings, and here in the settings we want to scroll down to system. Here in the system we go to reset options and click on reset mobile network settings. Click on reset settings, and here of course we have to enter the PIN. After we enter the PIN, we click reset once again. And now they are resetting. Soon we should see the information that they have been reset. And as a last resort, you can contact your carrier to verify your data plan. And that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.